Hi, this is Paul from countrycraziness.com. This channel is all about post frame construction, tractors, and homesteading. If you're interested in those kind of things, consider subscribing and joining in on the conversation. Now I gotta change my wardrobe. Slipping this over your post could save you a lot of money. If I had had that kind of advice when I was young, I could have built a bigger barn. Stay tuned. I get asked from time to time, do I have any regrets in the way that we built our barn? And the answer is, heck yeah, I got regrets. And the biggest one is putting the posts directly into the ground rather than finding a way to provide some protection for them. It's not that I was cheap in doing it, I was ignorant. And it's not like I'm alone either. There's a fellow online that builds these buildings professionally. And when he built his own shop as one of his first projects, he put the posts in the ground also. And to this day, he regrets it. Hey, a lot of you guys out there I know are between the age of 35 and 45, and you're thinking about buying or building a post frame home or a barn. Don't be stupid about it. Make sure you find a way to protect the wood posts from the elements. Now there's different ways that you can do that, and I'm going to spend the next few episodes talking about what some of those different methods are. Today we're going to talk about one of the simplest ways that you can do this, and it requires no learning curve at all on the part of people using the product. And that is encapsulating them with a product like this that totally surrounds the post so that when you drop it into the ground, the microbials can't get to it. They don't get to eat on your posts, which is a big deal. Now, to plant these things in the ground, you could have a builder that's never done it before. They come in sizes that are gonna match up with the type of pull that you have that's going on. All you do is slip it on. You put an anchor in it to just keep it from slipping when you're putting it in the ground. You stick it in like you normally would. You cover it up with dirt, and you're done and you're moving on. It takes very little time at all. And more importantly, it takes very little investment. You're only going to spend between 1% and 4% of the entire cost of your building in order to be able to provide this type of protection on it. Believe me, it's well worth the money to consider it. Now in the next few episodes, we're going to look at some other methods that you can use to provide additional protection for your wood posts. Until then, sleep well at night. I won't, thinking about my wood posts that are right in the ground.